Key Customs in Florida? We're definitely doing this shop. Hey, Daphne! Got any sunscreen? Woo! Golly! She's got a good arm. Woo! This is Rehab Rehashed for Key Customs in Florida. Now, we decided to help out Justin and Hannah with their shop, but it has been an incredible challenge for Russell and Chris. Our first highlight from this build, unlike this drink, certain things just don't mix. Needs more tropical. Perfect. Now, Hurricane Irma gave this shop a lot of problems. They've got roof problems, leaking problems, water problems, electrical problems, floor problems, problems. Golly, problems. And highlight number 2 from Key Customs, a masterclass. Kids, that's important. Now, Key Customs is a great shop to invest in because it's located right alongside Highway 1, where 35,000 cars travel on it per day. And you can equate business success with this calculation. You take this number, multiply it by curb appeal cubed, plus the 40% increased customer base, divided by the square root of Kaiser, plus log base 5 of Benpack lifts, all of that multiplied by workflow to the 100th power equals profits. Woo! This is my kind of math. Maybe Russell should have brought along his life preserver for this one, but lastly, highlight 3. Arrgh! Safety first. Woo! This has been Rehab Rehashed for Key Customs. Be sure to tune in next week. And Russell, I hope your eye feels better. We should do more shops in Florida. Hey, Daphne! Where'd the sunscreen go? Oh, wait! I'll get it.